Hello, new guitar students. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Seesaw, which is going to be one of our main technology sources when we do our assignments for guitar class. We're going to be doing some other sources and other programs, but this is the one that's going to get you started. So I'm going to share with you my screen to show you how to sign into Seesaw and how to use it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll go from here. Okay, so when you go to app.seesaw.me, I'll give you a link to that in your Google Classroom, or you can just search Seesaw in Google and it'll probably be the first link. Now, you're a student, so you're going to say, I'm a student. And then if I gave you a code in your email and you weren't automatically added yet, so if you see a code in your email, you're going to need to put this code down here at the bottom and then press sign in with Google. Okay, I'm going to choose my fake student account email. So this is exactly what your class is going to look like. Okay, so this is a trial class that I made as a fake student, but this is what yours is going to look like too. So let's explore it a little. When you go here to the journal, your name is going to show up here on the right along with any other students in the class. So there's nothing in the journal right now because, well, I haven't done anything yet. This is kind of similar to social media. It's going to show up in a stream over here, and you're going to be able to see the different things that you and your classmates have completed. If we go to activities here, where you see there's a little notification, so you know that I assigned new activities. Here are the activities that you are going to be doing. So see how there's a video, and then you can click add response. So when you open the assignment, you're gonna want to open it here and label guitar parts, and you're just gonna want to watch the video first. Once you've finished watching the video, you then click add response. And here is a chart that I've asked you to fill out. So in this one, you have, in my instructional video, I show you exactly what every part is. So this isn't a test. This is you just trying to figure out what part is what. So you have different options to fill this out. We have a drawing tool here. And now we have an undo button. I'm going to undo that. I can change my drawing tool down here at the bottom. I even have an eraser if I want to, if I don't want to use the undo button. And over on the right-hand side, I can change the color. So if you want to write in the words, you can. But in this instance, using the text box tool is actually going to be a lot better. So the text box tool is the T on the left-hand side. And then I can type in body for the guitar. Now I can change this a little. If I click away from it, I can adjust the size. I can edit it to be in different styles. Okay, here, and I can lock it in place so it doesn't move. I can duplicate it so I can make another one and just kind of change the words here if I like what I'm doing here. So if you click away and click on it, I can delete it if I want to, okay? You also have the option in some Seesaw assignments to record a caption. This is not an assignment that you're really gonna need to do this with, but I'll demonstrate real quick. So this is going to be recording while I talk. So I'm going to be drawing and recording and talking, and then I want to stop it, and then I can play it and watch it. So I'm going to be drawing and recording and talking, and then I want to stop. Okay, so then I can re-record, or I can delete it, or do whatever I need to do in here. I can also undo some of the things that I've done here. You can add a photo to this assignment. Again, not relevant in this specific assignment, but I'm showing you how to do it. So I could take a photo and input it into the assignment if I wanted to. That's kind of a cool feature too. If I wanted to upload a picture from my camera, from my computer, I can do that as well. And then we can add shapes and different drawings and things. This can be relevant for us at some point, but you don't use it too much. Okay, and then when you're all done and say you've submitted it and you're ready to go, we press, so you've done your you've used your text box and written in the words, yada, yada. Okay, and you press on the top right-hand corner, you press the green submit button, and now it shows up here. Now to you, it says waiting for teacher approval. That means it goes to me, and I have to make sure it goes in. So any comments that are left, so you can even comment on each other's, but I have to approve everything before you guys see it. And if it's not to the caliber that we need, I either won't approve it, or I'll delete it, or I'll send it back to you, or I'll email you about it. Okay. So if you have other classes that are using Seesaw, look here on the left-hand side. If you're in another class, like your Spanish class is using Seesaw, this is over here on the left is how you change between classes. So make sure that you're uploading things to the correct class, okay? So again, on the left-hand side, you could join a class if you wanted to. So if you're already in one class, you just go in here and enter a student code. That I would have emailed you, but I'll let you know whether or not you need to add a code or something else. So this is Seesaw. I hope that you, hold on, here we go. I'll fix this a little. Okay, let me know if you need any help with anything, email me, and just do those 2 assignments to get started. Okay, have a great day.